Thanks. Why do you tend to eat pubic hair? I don't understand.
It's nice, man.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we started walking on the other side of this little hill here, or mountain. The lake is about here, but on the other side. Then we walked up on this mountain, then down, up on this mountain, down, up on this mountain, down, and now we're up here. Took us about 4 hours, and yeah, it was approximately 5 kilometers. Which is pretty tough in this terrain, but it was a great hike, and now it's time to set up camp, cook some food, gather some firewood, not in that order. Now we will prepare and eat some old man's beard, or lichen, or lichen. I don't know exactly the English name.
Old man's beard?
Yeah, old man's beard.
Did you come up with that yourself?
No, that's a common expression. Anyhow, I know 2 ways to prepare this. The fast way is the way we're going with today, and it's together with some baking soda. This makes the process takes 2 hours, and we will only have a little today, just so that Robin can feel the beautiful taste of old man's beard.
The experience of it.
Yeah.
What do you think? Or like that?
I think it was better down below. All washed, rinsed. Now let's add some snow and start cooking it, man.
Cool.
Nice. some more baking soda. Nice. And of course, as a chef, I have to give it a stir.
Looks really good.
Nice.
Cowboy coffee.
Nice.
Except we're not gonna drink it as cowboys. We're gonna filter it like civilians. It's a good pour. Somewhere there.
Thank you. Great. The old man's beard has been on for, I don't know, 1.5 hours.
Something like that, yeah.
So it's about half an hour left. In the meantime, we'll have our main course.
Yeah. Cool. I'm excited.
24-hour meals.
Oh wow, it came in a cool package.
Yeah, you will get a ration or a MRE, man.
MRE.
And here we go, vegetarian bean pasta for you.
Oh wow.
And
thank you.
stroganoff with rice and mushrooms for me.
Wow. Very cool.
Yes, and do you have your water bottle?
Yeah.
Bring it, please. Nice.
How much water do you need?
You will see, but that will be enough.
Okay.
Now we have a flameless heater. And you see in the bottom of this, there's something that will react with water, so it heats up and it will actually boil.
Wow.
These though work best in summer, but if you put them close to the fire, they should work.
Cool.
Yes, so you open up the top one. And when you're done that, you will fill it with water until the lever right there. So only water up there.
Okay.
Now you take the meal, the MRE, and put it in.
Just like that.
Yeah, like that. Nice. Then you turn it. Yes, that's the right way. And you close it with that one.
I like your cooking style, bro.
Thanks. Cheers, man.
Cheers. I already finished mine.
What?
It was only one mouth.
Oh. That was good, man.
Yeah, it was good.
The food, the heat bags don't work perfectly when it's cold like this. But it's not frozen. It's semi-hot. They became pretty hot, but they died out pretty fast.
Okay.
But it should be better than frozen food.
Okay, cool.
And it should be quite good. It should take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook them in these. I've never done it in 10 to 12 minutes. It usually takes more like 20 minutes. One thing you have to take in consideration, these shouldn't be too close to the fire, because it's chemicals that makes a fiery gas out of them. So keep them away from your fire. We had them here about half a meter, that worked fine, but to be safe, at least a meter. Nice. Bon appetit, man.
Bon appetit. It's ice cold.
It is almost perfect. My bag works better than yours. If you want, you can put it close to the fire now.
Alright, it's fine.
Yeah.
That was good.
Nice. This one was really good. stroganoff. It is done, Robin. A bit over 2 hours has passed.
Cool.
Nice. Can let it cool down for a bit. Still boiling a bit. Nice. I started, I put some here. Let's take some more, man.
Oh,
What do you think?
it looks very jelly.
The consistency is perfect. Nice, man. Some old man's beard. Cooked to perfection. Take a bite. Tell me what you think.
The consistency was horrible. But yeah, it's some kind of fish mixed with the spinach.
Yeah, fish spinach. And this is because we have some baking soda or bicarbonate.
Yeah, I can feel my teeth get all weird.
Yeah. Do you want some more?
Nah, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay then. Well, you tried it.
Yeah.
You did not like it, but you could survive on it.
Yep.
Nice, man.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Well, today we will just sit here, dry all our things, make you ready for your plane home tomorrow.
Yeah.
And yeah, we say hi to you again in the morning. This is about it. We won't do we won't do much more.
No.
Then just sit here. And that's not very fun to watch, I think.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this far. I really hope you enjoy our episodes with me and Robin up in northern Sweden.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Time is early in the morning. You have a flight to catch.
I have a flight to catch.
Yes.
Yep.
But before that, we will see the Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi.
Yeah.
You want to see Kiruna City?
Yeah.
Which is a bit away from this place by walking and by car.
Yeah.
So for us to be able to do these things, we will need to head out pretty soon.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's true. We need to do the little trek there.
Yes. Robin is going home, but I am staying back here for another 3 weeks. And I will spend probably about 2 nights inside now. And then the weather will change, the temperature will drop quite much, to be honest.
Yeah.
So I will have some real winter. I also seen some snow in the weather reports, so I'm really looking forward for the future. I will be north of Jukkasjärvi, and I will scout some areas further north towards the Norwegian border.
Cool.
So that's gonna be awesome. And yeah, that's what's going on in the future.
Nice.
Near future, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
It's been great, Robin.
It's been great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Whoa. Awesome. Goodbye, guys.
Thank you, guys.
See you in the next one.
Take care. Stay safe.
Stay safe. Bye.